Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the how we can extract the 2 weeks look ahead plan. So this program I have opened a sample program from the P6, and to look for the activities which are on the 2 weeks ahead, we need to define a filter for them. Okay, let's start. So if we see a 2 weeks forward, I simply here put light here, we just put light here. We just had the few activities. These three activities. Okay, let's do the filter for it. Let's do it. If we I just want to remove this. Just want to remove this one. Okay, let's put a filter first. We'll define a filter. We'll add a new filter. We'll do. We will do start is equals to yes. Start is less than need less than data date. We need start date less than equal to data date. So we need it. We're looking 2 weeks ahead. So we'll write 2 weeks here, and we'll add another thing. If we see here finish, then it should be less than equal to data date plus 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 2 weeks. And one more thing we need to do is we need to find the activity status that is not completed. So we need to define the activity status which is not equal to completed. So if it looks, let's check it. We'll look write it two 2 weeks look ahead activities. Okay, we'll just click on OK, and this one we have make it just now. If we just apply it, we can see only the two activities. By this filter we cannot see the activities which are in the progress. So what we can find out from this one, this is the mistake that everyone does while finding out the lookup activities. For this type of problem, we need to define a filter in different ways. So I'll show you how you can do it. So this is my filter. So first we need to satisfy this condition for all. So I'll take it to the activity status is not equal to complete. So we don't want the activities that is not complete. Before that, I'll show you why it's not satisfying these activities. So I'll just remove all the filter. Okay, because in our condition activity status is not completed, that is satisfied. It should be start with data date plus 2 weeks and finish within data date plus 2 weeks ahead. So if we do that both condition need to be satisfied, but it does not satisfy the both condition. It can be finishing going ahead, or it can be starting earlier. So for that purpose we need to define a filter here. Just we need to modify something here. It's fine, activity status is not equal to complete, that's it, is good. Then we'll define any of the both conditions should satisfy. Both conditions we do not need. We just write here finish is less than equal to, this is fine. And we'll also write, I'll put this inside. We need to find any of this condition, or where any of one finish is equal to this one, and we need to add another activity, or start is start is less than equal to data date plus 2 weeks. If we do this one, we'll see the continuous activities which is missing in the next one. So if we do it like this, then we can see the activities which is in the progress. By this way we can find out the look activities ahead. And if you want to print it, I will also show you how we can print it. So if you go here, if you go to page setup, option, we can time scale, we can write it. Start date, we can write, I will just write data date plus, we want to look plus 2 weeks we want to write, and time scale finish we want to write. Sorry, just a mistake. I don't want to write data date minus 1 week. And if you want to write, I will just write a data date plus 2 weeks. Sorry, 3 weeks more than. I want to write more than 1 week ahead. Just I will click on OK. Just I will write in margin header. I'll just write project name in the text and logo layout. This one fine. I'll just write here modify 2 weeks log 2 weeks look ahead program. You can just try to click OK. You can click OK, and if you want to print preview, and you can see it is, you can see activities which is in the progress in the second week. I'll just change it into the time scale. I want to make calendar into month week, or I will make it weekend day. Okay, if we see here, these are the activities. If we now go into print preview, it can be quite interesting. Oh, sorry, just want to make it little here and print preview. Just want to make it here. I will make setup here. Just fit is equal to one page. Just this is the mistake I usually do. A3 paper I want to make. Okay, for now apply, and this is the look at program. So by this way we can find out the activities that are in the 2 weeks ahead by this filter. Most of the us make the simple mistake which we neglect it. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. Have a good day. Bye.